Hey folks, Daniel Zivetz, owner of West LA Computer Expert here, your tech guy, standing right in the heart of West Los Angeles. This vibrant community, brimming with creativity, innovation, and of course, technology. And when it comes to technology, one name stands out. West LA Computer Expert. For over 2 decades, West LA Computer Expert has been an integral part of this community. They've been here, offering top-notch computer solutions to the good folks of West LA. Whether it's a simple software installation, virus removal, or even a complex hardware upgrade, this dedicated team of tech wizards is ready to jump in. But what really is impressive about West LA Computer Expert is not just their tech expertise, it's their commitment to their local community. They believe in supporting local businesses, helping them thrive by ensuring their technology runs smoothly. It's a wonderful scene, local businesses flourishing with the help of reliable tech support. So remember folks, if you're in West LA and your computer is giving you a headache, you know who to call. West LA Computer Expert, your local tech solution. This is Daniel, your tech guy signing off. Stay connected, stay safe, and always keep exploring the exciting world of technology. Until next time.